She's gonna be cleaning, be in here. He's over there tapping around, I think, on the carb ski. How's it look? Yeah, it'll idle. What, the pressure? We have low, still very low temperature, not even registering. Oil's 60, 70.
That's why I have to do.
Yeah.
So I'll talk now.
Alright guys, real simple. It's sitting a while. You want to clean out the air bleeds. Obviously the fuel dries up and gets cruddy. These 4 air bleeds, 2 are for the idle circuit, 2 are for the high speed. There's more in here. So we're just going to clean all this out just so it'll be easier to start next time. On the carburetor changing color. How much smoke is coming out?
Not that much. It's alright. It's okay.
Another thing guys, when it's running and sometimes the floats get stuck with dirt, these are the floats on the Holley, you just tap them. And that'll shake them up and get any carnage and debris out. It normally helps when you see fuel dripping. So it's very good. Obviously it's cold today, we're not going to take it off and overhaul it. It definitely needs to be overhauled, but we're just going to tap it and just tap on the float. And the needle and seat will shake and clean off anything that got stuck. That makes it drip fuel as it's idling. I can tell already this idle's a lot smoother and cleaner. We just wanted to move it out today. It's really cold, and in the spring we'll pull it off and we'll show you about overhauling it.
That's it. Nice idle.
I don't know if that's short or...
Hey guys, Rad Performance here. Today we are back with the Skylark update. First time starting in month, 2 months, 3 months.
Yep.
And of course this is a little Holley and it's dumping fuel and not running properly because we decided to start it in the freezing cold, and it's not really happy whenever we do that to it. So we're gonna give her a little bit of a run and just clean her out with some good old carb cleaner.